Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4. Grief and woe of biblical proportion. 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 2, 3, 4. Television, nail it to a cross, start a new religion, find the faith you lost. Yeah, kill your television, nail it to a cross, make it pay for all your sins before your soul is lost. Jesus was a soul-winning with remote control. Moses was a cable man who climbed the outside pole. Get down the 10 Commandments, thou shalt never watch. Made for TV movies with idiotic plots. Kill your television, nail it to a cross. Make it pay for all your sins before your soul is lost. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. Noah built a satellite dish so he could watch the flood.
This is weird, but you should tell a story anyway.
Alright. So, Abraham awoke before dawn. He put his sandals on. He took the place from the Sunday paper and he walked on down the hall. Then he came to a door. When he looked inside, he said, Isaac.
Yeah, Dad.
Well, God wants me to kill you.
Dad.
Yes, son.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. You watch too much TV. It's gonna rot your mind. You're sitting much too close. I'm sure that you'll go blind.
What's the matter, baby?
2, 3, 4. Kill your television, nail it to a cross, start a new religion. Yeah, come on and find the faith you lost. Yeah, kill your television, nail it to a cross, make it pay for all your sins before your soul is lost. The apostles all came over, and so much like the butch. You exchange the channel that you watch the Brady Bunch for Brady